I'm J.D. Schmidt with Big Tex Trailers.
I'm Brant Combs with Ram Trucks.
In this video, we're going to talk about how to prevent trailer sway.
First thing you'll want to do to prevent trailer sway is to make sure that you have the right tongue weight. On a conventional application, that's going to be about 10% of the total load of the trailer. It'll be about 15% on a fifth wheel or gooseneck application. Too little tongue weight, and that will create sway. Too much tongue weight, and it can negatively affect the dynamics of the tow vehicle.
And the way to get that tongue weight right is to make sure you get your load distributed evenly. Too little tongue weight, and you're going to want to move the load more forward. Too much tongue weight, and you're going to want to move it back. It's important to get that distributed perfectly front to back as well as side to side.
That's right. You'll want that weight over the axles of the trailer. If you do experience trailer sway and your truck is equipped with electronic stability control like this Ram 2500, it will kick in and begin to dampen it.
The number one tip for today is to prevent trailer sway before it begins. And we do that by making sure we have the proper tongue weight.